If you want to keep your tasks and schedule perfectly in sync, then in this video I'll show you how to sync Todoist with Google Calendar step by step. This is a great way to make sure your deadlines, events, and daily tasks all stay organized in one place without constantly switching between apps. Whether you're managing work, school, or personal projects, this integration can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of everything. If you find this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner and click your profile icon. This is where you can access your account options and app settings. After that, click Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Calendar section and click on it. This is where Todoist keeps all of its calendar connection options. Now you should see the option to connect Google Calendar. Click Connect Google Calendar to start the syncing process. Todoist will then ask you to choose the Google account you want to link. Carefully select the correct Gmail account, especially if you use more than one Google account, because this is the account that will be connected to your Todoist calendar sync. After selecting the account, click Continue. Google will now show you a list of permissions that Todoist needs in order to complete the connection. Make sure to review the permissions and then select all permissions required for the integration to work properly. Once everything is selected, click Continue again to finish the link. After that, Todoist and Google Calendar will be connected, and your tasks and calendar events can begin syncing according to the settings you've chosen. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync Todoist with Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This kind of setup can make a huge difference in how you plan your day and manage your workload, because it gives you a clearer picture of what needs to get done and when. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.